All right, back with another episode of 90s Box Breaks. I showed you guys these Top Stadium Club Chrome cards the other day, but I wanted to compare with one that had the serial number still on the back. It's the Karl Malone. Both of these are the first day issue refractors. And we'll show you here. Karl Malone. You can see that stamping nicely versus the faded stamp. So I just thought that was interesting to show those side by side. Anyways, we're going to do another box of the 98-99 Finest. We're down to our last loose box. I don't know when I'm going to bust the case open, but I'll do that on a video so you guys can see that happen live. And let's get this box started. I do have a helper tonight, so trying to speed up the process on this video a little bit.
Hi guys.
And, oh, we have a refractor again. Cool.
That's neat.
We pulled the Gary Payton, which I still have it over here. It was a couple boxes ago. This is a Sharif Abdur-Rahim. The protector's got some bubbles in it. Might have to collect the set now. Let's get these packs out of here. That to the side. Try to get all of this in view here for you guys. Start with pack number 1 here. Start to open that. Alright, checklist. Starting off with the no protector refractor. Andrew DeClerc. I'm not sure who that is. I'll set that over here. Allen Iverson. Some more base. Scan over here.
This is the second pack.
There you go. Just go through them. Yeah, you can go through them quick. Kevin Garnett.
Yes, Kevin Garnett. And then I got Gary Trent. Tony Walker.
Perfect. Pack number 3. Charles Barkley, Sam Cassell Marley, Steve Kerr, Rod Strickland. Like that shot with Shaq in the background.
Okay, for my pack I got Jaren Jackson, Larry Johnson. Ooh, look babe.
Oh, we got an insert. Cool. What's on the back?
Okay, do you want to grab it?
We got a Mystery's Finest.
Ooh, it's numbered.
We have a Centurions. Cool. Damon Stoudemire. Nice. I didn't realize he was on the Blazers at that time. It's a non-refractor, so those are out of 500. 386 out of 500. Do not have, I haven't pulled that version either. I think I'm up to 8 of these, and there's 20 in the set, I believe. It's a nice looking pull. Can't believe we got a Centurions and a Mystery's Finest in the same pack. So that's a hot pack. We'll peel that for you later in the break. And you got a Tim Hardaway, no protector. Hopefully get some more packs like that.
Yeah, it would be nice.
There you go. Start opening that. All right, here we go. base. Arvidas, Sean Kemp. And some more base in that pack.
Okay, for mine, Derek Fisher, Bryant. Okay, Arvis Sabonis.
You know, to Sam Hall, baby.
Okay.
Tracy McGrady, there you go. It's a good hit.
Another Hardaway. Didn't we just got one?
Alright. Probably nearing halfway through the box. We do have another refractor here. Vinny Del Negro. 2 white boys for the refractors so far. Spurs, that's your team.
Mm-hmm.
And Van Horn on the back side.
That's cool. So I got Mookie.
The base.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Strickland, Anderson, Terrell Brandon, Mitchell, Reeves, Mills, some more base.
Okay. Dale Davis. Okay. There's one stuck.
Sharif again.
Mm-hmm. And there it is.
Alright. Fisher. No protector, Eddie Jones. Not a bad hit there. Sean Brandon. Shaw. Haven't got that base Jordan yet.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Okay. I like the colors on these. Sherman Douglas.
Ray Allen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Chapman. Leitner. O'Neal. Travis Knight. Bobby Knight's son, I believe. All right.
Okay, up next.
How many packs left? It's like 10 packs left. Austin, Bobby Jackson, David Robinson.
Oh, nice.
Another Charles Outlaw. I ended up pulling 6 Charles Outlaw base cards in that last box. I don't think I've ever done that before with one player.
Okay, so here we go.
It's no protector.
No protector. Sam Perkins. Lawrence.
Oh,
Michael
there you
Jordan.
go. Hold the base, Jordan.
Mm-hmm.
Looks pretty clean. Set that over here.
Nick Anderson. Ryder.
Oh, look what we have here.
Oh my god, you got another one.
2 Mystery's Finest. We got 2 to peel at the end here. Vladi, Jason Kidd, Reverend Knight.
Okay, for mine. Rat Long.
Refractor, Blue Edwards.
That's pretty. There you go. Gugliotta. And Harper.
Vinny, Sam Mitchell, No Protector, Alex Avery Johnson, Travis Best, Robert Ory,
Anthony Johnson.
Alright, next pack. Keem Bay, Rodney Rogers, another Blue Edwards, all base.
You're faster on this than I am. It's a costume.
Reggie Miller.
Gary Payton. Allen Houston.
2 left. Scotty. Anthony Johnson. I think he played on the Nets. Maybe got traded the following year. After 98-99. Stackhouse. Kukoc. Last pack.
Last pack, guys. Anthony Mason. Tyrone Corbin. Jack Sutton. Keith Van Horn. Ooh, Gary Payton.
Oh, nice. Insert there. Hardwood Honors.
Lee Mayberry. So now we are trying to peel.
Yeah, we can just pull those out. Let's start with this one. We got the first one ready. And I can't tell what team logo that is. Ah, Sharif. Of course, we pulled a lot of Sharif. That's a couple boxes. Once you get it going, then you can bring your fingernail into it. So we got a Garnett on one side, not too bad. Very nice looking card there. And we've got the non-refractor, other side peeled.
Can I just bring it down?
Yep, just pull it right off. Looks like Grant Hill. Know a few Hill
Things are
collectors.
hard.
You can do it off. Just be careful. Hold it above the table. Here. I'm gonna get it.
There we go.
And we've got the other side. Oh, sorry.
No,
Can you
that's
show that
fine.
again? Grant Hill and Sharif.
It's a pretty card.
So this we had Kevin Garnett. We do have this side started. Cannot tell who it is. Is that Marbury?
Don't know.
Looks like Marbury on the other side. Very nice. Again, the surfaces on these stay pretty clean. We had one Duncan that I pulled that was the surface was a little messed up, but we put some lens cleaner on it with a microfiber cloth, and it came right off. So these are 1 in, I think 133 I said yesterday. So we got 2 Mystery's Finest, and also Venny Refractor, the Centurion's Damon Stoudemire, Andrew DeClerc Refractor, and I can't remember who the other refractor was. Blue Edwards. So not a, oh, and we get the Hardwood Honors somewhere in this back pile. So pretty good box overall. No monster hits, but a lot of fun. A lot of inserts in that box. So stay tuned. We'll keep loading up new boxes as we get them in. And feel free to subscribe and make any comments in the comment section. Thank you.